table to yours. Today we are going to make a crockpot chili. So this is something easy. You can just throw in the crock pot, let it cook while you're gone on low, and when you come home it'll be ready. So we are going to start with our burger. I had cooked some burger, and then I drained the oil out of it because I don't like all the oil and the grease and stuff in it. Put that in there. Okay, and the next ingredient we're going to put in some diced onions. And then I'm going to add 2 cans of the light kidney beans. And I dump the juice and everything in there because it'll give it some flavor, and then it'll cook into the chili. So get those 2 in there. Then I'm going to dump in 2 cans of red kidney beans. And for those of you who get really bad heartburn like I do, I use this di fratelli. So I'm going to use the petite diced tomatoes, and it's a sweeter taste instead of like most tomato sauces. And I'll just dump that in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and dump in the di fratelli tomato sauce. And you can get these off of Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and stir this up. Stir it up really good. And this is really good for Super Bowl, which we all know that's coming up. A good, easy meal. Now that I have that in, I am going to use some McCormick's dark chili powder. And you can put in as little as you want, or as much as you want. And again, I have heartburn, so I will go with that amount there. Oh yeah, that smells really good. And now we're just gonna let it cook for a few hours. I usually cook mine on low for 8 hours. And then, but you do have the option of cooking it on high for 4 hours. Okay, since it's been about 4 hours now that we've let our chili cook, we are going to go ahead and make up a bowl. So I put corn chips in mine because I like the crunchy flavor. And then I take my chili and I put it over the top of it. And then I'm going to put some cheese on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the sour cream on. Make sure everybody hits like and subscribe. It is free. And thank you for watching my channel today. And from my table to yours. See you next time. Just a night full of cheer. Let the music play loud, 'cause we're all in high gear. Tailgate night, so